Hello. Today we're going to discuss animal rights in the United States, rights for all forms of life. Rights aren't just for humans. The Animal Welfare Act was passed in 1966, and it's the only federal law in the United States that regulates the treatment of animals in research, exhibition, transported, and by dealers. It's supported by these listed organizations, and they basically all do the same thing. They strive to ensure the humane treatment of animals. And there's other laws that exist as well to protect animals. The oldest being the 28-hour law, which is created in 1873. And most simply put, it ensures that when animals are being transported, they should be released every 28 hours so they can breathe, stretch, get food, get water, be treated humanely. There's also the Humane Slaughter Act from 1958 that was amended in 78. And it states that animals need to be stunned to unconsciousness before they're slaughtered. And most recently we have PACT, which ensures that animals are spared from unnecessary cruelty, namely crushing, burning, drowning, suffocating, or impaling. All life deserves respect. In the United States, animals have the right to be treated ethically and to not experience abuse. This law affects many animals, pets, what we have at home, wildlife, the animals that are undomesticated, and last but not least, farm animals and test animals. All animals deserve a life free of unnecessary suffering and pain, regardless if they are food or pets. And much of the world is embracing this. Over 50 countries have strong laws protecting animal rights. European and Asian countries are leading the pack, with some getting as high scores as A's, and the United States is earning a D, so we really need to start doing better. And there's many world arguments that pertain to animal rights. Land ethics, all life is connected on this planet. Even ecofeminism. There's a strong correlation between feminism and animal rights. Just as women are suffering through abuse, exploitation, and oppression, so are animals. So there's a common ground with these two ideologies. Deep ecology, all life matters, despite if it's useful to humans or not. And the principle of human survival. Happy animals are healthy animals. Healthy animals are less prone to diseases. So why should animals have rights? They deserve a life free of pain and suffering. They can think and have emotions similar to humans. They should not be abused, overworked, and exploited. And by treating animals better, we usually have healthier animals, and we're not getting diseases like swine flu and mad cow disease. If you're interested in supporting animal rights, pretty simple. Choose cruelty-free products. Eat less meat. That's a no-brainer. Cut down on palm oil consumption and reduce your uses of plastics. Want to get involved? Check out these great organizations. They're doing great work to protect animal rights and educate people across the planet on the amazingness of animals. And here we end my presentation, and I thank you for coming, and I wish you a great day. Thank you.